What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over playing Gala, currency at 0.02236, down 3.8. On the day, market cap 795 million, 24-hour volume 87 million. So if we take a look at Gala, let me zoom out to the 4-hour time frame. Wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback looking to push up in a wave 3. Within that wave are 5 waves. So you have a 1, 2 looking to push up in a 3, 4, 5. And of course, within that, you have the 1 pulling back in the 2. If you follow Elliott wave, that should make sense to you. So we're putting in a little bit of a double bottom. We have a nice bullish divergence. So we could get the bounce from here. And then we would push up towards that wave 3 target of 0.028. If the 0.02169 were to break, that's bearish, increases the probability of breaking that low. And we'd have to adjust the wave count, maybe something like leading diagonal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, larger pullback. But until then, we have bullish divergence. We're in the pullback zone. So if we break above 0.02281, start to break that neckline of the double bottom, that's more confirmation you're going to push up in that wave 3. We'll have to see how everything plays out. And the daily chart, we're just, climbing the stairs, pushing up slowly here. We have the bullish cross on the daily. So as long as we see that continuation and don't see a massive drop, then we should push up towards the target of this inverse head and shoulders at 0.0281 and then all the way up to this target of 0.03455 for our friend Gala Games. That's what I'm looking at for this update for Gala. Make sure to sign up to BITUNIX. This is where I do my trading. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world. One of the few exchanges in North America where you can trade futures, 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees when you sign up through my link, top of the comments. You can join my free Discord, which includes my daily crypto analysis, my crypto trades, as well as my Forex trade signals. All links down below. Smash the like button, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.